Positioned less than 500 metres from Drouin Civic Park. Drouin Recreational Reserve. Drouin Outdoor Swimming Pool.
As well as 600 metres from the Drouin CBD and all of its amenities. And now, it's time to go see the property. Introducing this 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home with a remote double lock-up garage. This residence offers ducted heating, a split system air conditioner, and an ample amount of storage throughout. The semi-ensuite provides direct access to the master bedroom, which features a walk-in robe, and both other bedrooms have built-in robes. Thank you for taking the time to inspect Unit 2 of 73 Victoria Street in Drouin. We hope to see you at the next open home.